Hello, everyone. My name is Chrystal Holland, and on behalf of all of Harvard Extension School staff, I'd like to welcome you to the 2021 Virtual Open House. We are happy to see you here today, and we look forward to sharing all that Harvard Extension has to offer you. In this video, I'll provide a quick tour of the event platform and share a few quick tips to help you make the most of your open house experience. So let's go ahead and get started. You'll get started here in the event lobby where you can find quick paths to the event spaces. Throughout the day, you can use the gold menu bar to navigate between these spaces, including the lobby, which we're in right now, the information fair, the auditorium, the information desk, the chat rooms, and much more. And right above the menu bar, you can find a set of accessibility tools, which will enable you to adjust the color contrast, the text size, or turn on the audio page narration. Also to note, all videos in this platform are closed captioned. First, I would recommend you stop by the information desk where you can get a welcome packet that includes the agenda and other useful event details. And you'll also find tech support if you should need it. Next, we're going to move into the information fair. Here you can visit 20 different booths where you can learn about our academic pathways as well as the many academic resources that you'll have access to as a student at Harvard Extension School. To find the booth of your choice, you can either use the exhibitor index here on the left, which is in alphabetical order, or you can scroll through the platform and find your booth of choice this way. Once you find your booth of choice, you would just click on it and you will find the details in the description section, including the live chat schedule. You can also view the live chat schedule in this gray menu bar, and you would simply click on live chat schedule and the schedule will open up for you. Here's a quick tip about the chats. Be sure to check out the chat schedules for your areas of interest early on so you can plan to join the chat when staff are available to answer your questions. The chat button is also here in this white menu, along with a set of links to the Harvard Extension School website where you can access the chat rooms at any time via that gold bar menu at the top. In each booth, you can also view any videos and/or documents that the booth has to offer. Simply just click on the view button and the documents and the videos will open right here on the platform for you to look at your own leisure. If you like any of the videos or documents and you would like to save them for a later time, you simply would just click add to your bookmarks and you'll be able to email them to yourselves later after the event for your reference. To navigate back to the main floor that lists all the booths, just click back to floor. In addition, you can access the documents and videos from all the booths via the video vault and the resource document. So how these two work is you would click on the video vault and this displays all the videos that the platform has to offer. You may also use this filter button to filter through anything that you want. So if I wanted to do certificates, I would click certificates, and these are all the videos that their certificate booth has to offer. You can also add these things to your bookmarks here if you would like to save it for later. You can do the same thing with the resource documents. This is all the documents that the platform has to offer, and feel free to use this filter button to filter everything that you want. So these are all the documents that the certificates booth has to offer. Again, feel free to use that bookmark option as well. And anything that you add to your bookmarks will be put right here in this bookmarks tab, and you'll be able to email them to yourself to access at a later time. If you're interested in checking out our auditorium, feel free to use the gold menu bar to do so. In the auditorium, you will have a list of panels and presentations that can be watched on demand at your own convenience throughout the day. So make sure you stop by here to check them out. You simply would just click this and a list of all of these videos will be available for you on demand. You would simply click the play button, and as it's shown before, the video will pop up right here on the platform.
Hello.
As I navigate back to the main lobby, I hope that this overview of the event platform has been helpful. Don't forget to stop by the info desk if you need any technical help on the day of the event. And finally, we will select at random one event attendee who will receive a tuition waiver for one Harvard Extension School course. The winner will be notified by email on July 14th. I hope that you absorb a lot of information today and enjoy the virtual open house experience.